KRRASS MB8 Series 320 tons 3200 mm press brake adopts DeLem DA53T controller, which can easily control the back gauge X-axis movement in a very simple way. The rigid body frame, perfect design, high efficiency, a variety of supporting tooling solutions, top CE safety standards and attractive prices make it far ahead of similar products. The DeLem DA53T controller, paired with the corresponding servo motor drive system, can quickly, efficiently and accurately control the forward and backward movement of the X-axis of the back gauge. The entire electrical system uses Schneider electric components from France, ensuring safe and stable operation while extending the machine's lifespan. The crowning system uses a fully automatic mechanical crowning that can be fully controlled by the DeLem controller. The combination of basic tooling and multi-V molds allows you to complete a variety of different bending operations on this bending machine with ease. The slider position signal is fed back to the controller by the Spanish Fager grading ruler. The CNC controller adjusts the oil volume in the tank by changing the opening size of the synchronization valve, thereby controlling the movement of the slider. Quick clamp tooling is user-friendly, allowing for easy and rapid changes of various types of tooling. When bending larger sheets, the adjustable front support arms can effectively help reduce stress. Powered by a Siemens main motor from Germany, this press brake provides powerful support and longevity, with lower noise and energy consumption, making it more environmentally friendly. The Bosch Rexroth full closed-loop electro-hydraulic servo high-frequency synchronization control system from Germany ensures high stability and precision during high-speed operation. The X, Z axes and the back gauge all use Highwind linear guides and ball screws, further enhancing bending accuracy. Leveraging the powerful functionality of the DeLem DA53T controller and the servo motor drive, the X axis can move freely back and forth to meet your bending requirements. The manually adjustable back gauge, with fine-tuning capabilities, accommodates various bending needs. The Korean Kaken foot switch provides longer service life and better safety protection. In terms of programming, the operation of the DeLem DA53T controller is very simple. Create a programming file, set the plate and thickness, select the tooling and mold, set the parameters of the bending step, start the bending operation. The bending operation process is simple and fast. We only need to perform the bending operation according to the set bending program. Additionally, the entire press brake features a robust frame structure. The thickness of the front panel, side panel, and ram are 160 mm, 80 mm, and 80 mm, respectively. The heavy-duty structure ensures the machine can handle various bending tasks without frame deformation. If you are interested in our video, you can subscribe to our channel. If you want to purchase our CNC press brake, feel free to contact us or visit our website at www.krrass.com. Thank you for watching.